Hi. In this video, we will take a look at how to set up our client mobile app so you can have your own app that your clients will be able to use to book with you. Let's start by navigating to the custom features page of your Simply Book Me account to enable this feature. Since client login is required, it will be enabled automatically as well. Once it's enabled, premium subscribers will be able to manage its settings on the right. It's possible to add a custom app name, choose the preferred layout, set a background color, and upload a logo. The report button will take you to Reports, Notification Report, where you will be able to see all push notifications that have been sent to your clients. Please make sure to check out the video on how your clients can use our app in the description below. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing Simply Book Me.